first grade friends and families. Welcome to reading day 2. So for today, you are going to need pages 23 and 24. So it's one page front and back. So it looks like this. It's the Busy City story that we read yesterday, as well as a graphic organizer that sorts out our main idea and our details. Okay, so what we're going to do is read the Busy City once again. And again, we are really focusing today on main ideas of a story and details. So being able to retell a story without having to do the exact words. If you need a cheat sheet, is what I'm going to call it, or a reference sheet, we did do this yesterday, and this was kind of our model sheet for this story. If you think you can do it without it, awesome. So again, I'm going to have 2 colors. So my orange is going to be the main idea, and my blue is going to be the details. I'm going to write a little key for myself on the bottom, so I know which color is which. So this is my main idea, and this is my details. So again, just choose 2 different colors, markers, colored pencils. The bad thing about Sharpies is it bleeds through, but it'll be okay. So, let's read the story together, then we'll start our markings. Remember to point as we read. The busy city. A city is a busy place. Streets are full of cars and buses. Many people hurry. Children go to parks to play. There is always something to do in a city. Okay? So what was the main idea? What is this story about? Right, it's about a busy city, or how a city is a busy place. So I'm going to take my main idea marker, and I'm going to underline a city is a busy place, because that is our main idea of this story. Next, we're going to sort out the details. So what supports our main idea of this city is busy? Okay, so we know that the streets are full of cars and buses. Look at that picture. That makes it look very busy. Many people hurry. So in the cities, you're always usually in a rush or hurrying. You're not taking your time, looking around, and hanging out. You're trying to get from point A to point B. Okay, and it also says children go to parks to play. They put that as a detail in here. If you don't want to have that as a detail, that's okay. So we are going to have our main idea and our 3 details. Okay, now we're going to take our pen and pencil. We're going to use what we did from this story, and then we're going to flip to the back. So how this chart goes is we have our main idea that we're going to start on this side. Then we're going to have 2 details that you guys get to choose which ones you want to write. So our main idea, like we said, a city is a busy place. So I'm going to write that here. A city is a busy place. Again, if I'm going too fast, pause the video and give yourself time to write. If you need to stop the video and use mine as a model, feel free. If your handwriting is really big, you've got all this space. Okay, then we're going to choose our first detail. So I'm going to say, many people hurry. That's going to be my first detail. Many people hurry. Again, you don't have to put them in order. So that's going to be my first detail. Take your time. Make sure you have a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end. Okay, and then I'm going to find another detail, and I'm going to say streets are full of cars and buses. Streets are full of cars and buses. Make sure I write it correctly. Buses. Okay? So this is what your page is going to look like. I will take a picture of this page and post it under this video if you want to use it to copy from and use it as a reference. But again, we just highlighted our main idea and details of the story. Then we wrote out what the main idea was and 2 of the details. Have fun!